Alright, so today I'm replacing the plastics on Sportsman 400. The plastics I had were pretty crappy, and somebody engraved some stuff in it, and they just don't look pretty. So I put a new set of plastics on it, and it's a 335, so I pulled the decals off. And you can either buy these online, or if you're lucky like I am, a friend that can print these up for me. So I got my first stretch down. It's a Sportsman, and then the 400 is going to go right above it. So if you ever got something like this, you know, you peel the paper back off, and then that's like a clear covering that sticks on there, and then you just take your finger, smooth it out, and then you peel that clear sticker off. So now I'm in the middle of smoothing this out. Make sure everything's on there. And you can start peeling it back. When you peel this off, just be careful, make sure your letters are sticking on. A little loose there. And if you get any bubbles, you can take a needle and pop it. Alright, so I got that done. Well, let's just peel this back. Good. And if you wanted to, you could take a squeegee too. I don't happen to have one out here, so I'm just using my fingers. And voila. Not factory, but it says what it is. Looks nice. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Until next time.